So this is northern waterthrush, and it's actually exactly one of the main reasons we're down here. This bird already has been banded. It was banded in our first field season. So this bird has been on these wintering grounds now 3 times at least. So pretty miraculous that this 15-gram bird has made the trip back and forth from North America to here at least 3 times. It's kind of an incredible thing to think about, and it's one of the more amazing things about birds. But it's also one of the main reasons we're down here, to highlight the fact that these birds are so synchronized with the habitat they're coming to in the wintering time. And it's all about the habitat, and it's all about the characteristics of the habitat. And if we keep shrinking their habitat, they're just going to have no place to go. And especially here, we're very close proximity to a mangrove estuary, and it's one of the main places these guys come to. And on the peninsula, the degradation of mangrove habitat is just rampant right now. It just completely gets cut down for golf courses and other cattle, all of these other related things. It's just a habitat that needs to be highlighted, and it needs to be saved. And with these kind of studies, we're hoping we can draw attention to that. This bird came to this same exact spot 3 times. This bird is, a lot of people love this bird back home. It's a North American breeder, and so many people see it, but they don't understand what goes on down in this other part of the world because they're not connected to it. So with studies like this, we try to connect the pieces and connect the dots. And it's just a very small part of it. So I'm going to process this bird so that I get the correct data, so that hopefully maybe we'll catch it again next year.
That makes sense.
Does this bird live in mangroves in North America too?
I guess in the south they might breed in mangrove habitat, but it's more like on river stream banks, especially up north. In the winter, they kind of go to habitat that is characteristically great for some of the things they need, like food source, and also a lot of the times they join other migrants and they form these feeding flocks with the resident birds around here. And they form these cliques to be able to fully use the habitat, let's say, because they all can move through in different areas. So no, it does not pick habitat that's particularly similar to the habitat it breeds in. It picks habitat more that's correlated with the functions and needs it needs down here, which is an exorbitant amount of food, protection, because there's a lot of resident birds here that it has to compete with. So it has to think about these things. So mangrove estuaries are an area where it can do this.
Yeah.